Good morning, students. As we have started the chapter coordinate geometry, we have done one exercise. Now today we will do section formula. In section formula, you will study two types. That is, first is internally division. And second is externally division. First is internally division, that is, suppose the line is given, AB is the line whose coordinate is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2, and P is a point whose coordinate is x and y, which divide P and PB and PB in the ratio of M1 is to M2. In the ratio of M1 is to M2. So we have to find the internal division, that is coordinate of P. So it will be, P will be, that is coordinate of P. We're dividing internally, so it will be, that is value of x, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. That is coordinate of P. Here we will find internal division, that is x equal to m1 m2, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, and y will be m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So in this way you will find if the line is divided internally, you will use this formula to find the coordinate here. Now second part is externally division. Yeah, next is externally division in the ratio of m1 is to m2. That is, suppose AB is a line whose coordinate is x1, y1 and x2, y2. P is any point we divide externally, mean the ratio from A to P is m1 and this from here to this is m2. So coordinate of P will be, for externally division, it will be x equal to m1 x2 minus m2 x1 upon m1 minus m2, and y will be m1 y2 minus m2 y1 upon m1 minus m2. So if externally is given, you will use this formula, and for internally you will use it. Now suppose if it divides in the middle, means you define midpoints. So midpoint means m1 equal to m2. So your coordinate will be x, it will be x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y will be y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So here section formula, in section formula there are two types. First internally division, next is externally division. Internally division means if the point AB is given the line and P is the point we divided internally here in the ratio of m1 is to m2. So you have to find the coordinate of P. So it will be, you will use the formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, and y will be m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Now next is externally division. Suppose AB is a point, here line, and P is a point dividing externally. So then A to P ratio is m1 and B to P is ratio is m2. So external division will be m1 x2 minus m2 x1 upon m1 minus m2. Y will be m1 y2 minus m2 y1 upon m1 minus m2. If it divided, that is if P is a midpoint, to find the middle point you will use, that is m1 equal to m2. So you will use the formula x equal to m1, that is x1 plus x2 by 2, y equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. Now we will do the exercise. exercise 7.2. Question number 1. Here given, find the coordinate of the point which divide -1, 7 and 4 and -3 in ratio of 2:3. Find the coordinate of the points which divide -1, 7, 4 minus 3 in the ratio of 2:3. So here ratio is given. Suppose coordinate of A is given here -1 and 7, that is our x1, y1, and B is given whose coordinate are given 4 and -3, so it is our x2, y2. Ratio is given 2:3, means a ratio is here m1:m2. So m1 is given here 2, m2 is given here 3. m1 is given 2, m2 is given 3. Now we have to find the coordinate, that is two points divide in the ratio 2:3, and it is not given internally, externally, so we will use the internally. If it is not given, so use the internally. Now we know that internally formula is x equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. So here m1 is 2, x2 is 4 plus m2 is 3, x1 is -1 upon 2 plus 3. So we will get here 8 minus 3 upon 5. So 5 upon 5, it is equal to 1. So we have got the value of x here. Now y it is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. This is the formula for internal here. Now y equal to m1 is 3, m1 is 2, y2 is -3 plus m2 is 3 and y1 is 7 upon m1 2 plus 3. So we will get here -6 plus 21 upon 5, or here we will get 15 upon 5, that is 3. So therefore x equal to, we have got 1, y equal to 3. Therefore points are 1 and 3. Points are 1 and 3. Now next. Question number 2, see what is given. Find the coordinate of the points. Question number 2. Find the coordinate of the point with trisecting the line segment. One line is given AB. Coordinate is given 4 minus 1, -2 and -3. Trisecting the line. So let P be the point here and Q is any point here. Means trisecting means the points are cutting in the 3 parts. So P and Q are the points here. Now first from here it is cutting in the 3 portion. So from A to P means AP and PB, first points AB and PB. So it will be in the ratio of, means PA is to PB will be the ratio of 1 is to, see, 2. 1 is to 2. Next, Q for QB, QA is to QB. It is in the ratio of 2 is to 1. First it will be, see, 2 part here, 1 part here, and first this AP will be 1 part and this will be 2 part. So it is 1 is to 2 and 2 is to 1. So first we will find the coordinate of Q. Therefore, for a first time, coordinate of P. Let the coordinate be of the x and y, dividing internally. So here a is given 4 minus 1, it is x1 y1, and b is given minus 2 minus 3, so it is x2 y2. Ratio is pa is to pb, it is to 1 is to 2. So m1 is 1, m2 is 2. Now dividing internally, so x will be m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Now m1, what is m1? 1. x2 is minus 2 plus 2 into m2 is 2 into minus 1 upon 1 plus 2. So it will be minus 2 upon 3, it is minus 4 by 3. So coordinate of x is minus 4 by 3. Similarly, we will find y equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So m1 1 into y2 is minus 3 plus 2 into 4 upon 1 plus 3, 2. So minus 3 plus 8 upon 3, so it is 5 by 3. Therefore, coordinate of P will be minus 4 by 3 and 5 by 3. Minus 4 by 3 and 5 by 3. So we have got the first coordinate of P. Now we will find the coordinate of Q. Now Q divide QA is to QB in the ratio 2 is to 1. Now next is coordinate of Q. Again it will divide internally only. It will divide internally. So again we have to find the coordinate of Q. Let the coordinate of Q be xy. A is given 4 and minus 1 and B is given minus 2 minus 3 and QA is to QB. QA is to QB equal to 2 is to 1. So M1 is 2, M2 is 1. Now in dividing internally, therefore x equal to same formula, that is M1 x2 plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus M2. So M1 is 2, x2 is minus 2 plus 1 into 4 upon 2 plus 1. So minus 4 plus 4 upon 3 is 0. This 0. Then y m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So it is m1 is 2, y2 is minus 3 plus 1 into minus 1 upon 2 plus 1. So minus 6 minus 1 upon 3 minus 7 by 3. Therefore, coordinate of Q, it will be 0 and minus 7 by 3. This is the answer. So try the question and do the exercise. So learn by heart the formula, that is internally division and externally division, and how to find the midpoint. Thank you.